A very important part that you will need to use is check in and check out. So here you cannot only check in or check out a person, you can also allocate a room. So let's select a resort here. It doesn't matter which account you have selected, but the resort is very important. Let's say Manoir de Desamont. We refresh for 4th of February. We have one person checking out and two people checking in. For example, this is a new booking that has no room. This booking has 124 and this booking has nothing. So, for example, if we need to allocate a T3, we have to find it here on the list, a T3. We have only one and it is here. So as you see, as I move the cursor, it comes here. If I press the green line, do you wish to allocate booking number to room 201? Yes, I do wish. So now this booking actually has an allocated room. So next step, if I want to check him in, for example, this arrival date of this booking was 1st of February. Today is 4th of February. So let's see what happens. We press the three dots near the booking. If we press check in, we have here how many adults? One. Let's say that 3 adults appeared and 2 children. It's a 3-bedroom after all. He is not Albanian as we see in the comments. This is funny. And then we just check him in. Now we have check-in verified date. Today is 4th of February. So when did this person check in? If we press here, we see the full length of the booking. So he was supposed to come 1st of February, but today is 4th. Let's say he came yesterday, 3rd, but we forgot to check him in or something happened. So if we select 3rd, we can check him in on 3rd. We should always be very, very careful when is the date of check-in and the checkout. This is for statistical reasons because some people might go back to Odyssey or to Wyndham or whatever just to claim back their points or their money because they didn't come for the full week but just for a few days. Just to avoid questions, you should select the correct date. So let's say, for example, if we want to check out someone. So this lady is checking out. As you can see, we have some charges here. It's 13.17 euro. First of all, if we need to check someone out, we need to make a payment so that people will leave paying their bills. Here, as you can see, we have the Make Payment button. And just for this instance, we will pay 10 euro by cash and the rest will be by card. So let's press Make a Payment. As you can see, all the charges were selected and all we need to do is to select a payment code. Payment code, we can use either card, cash or City Ledger. City Ledger is something that, for example, if management comes, Sebastian, Mary, whoever, IT, they come, they might consume some things at the bar or have breakfast. We always need to charge it and then send it to City Ledger, which means we don't actually get money, but the department gets the cost. So, for example, management can use it, or if Odyssey has a taxi included, you will charge 100 and whatever euro you charge, and afterwards you have to send it, you make a payment only for the transfer. For example, if this is the transfer, you will need to select only this one and then go to City Ledger and pay the 0.45. This is about vouchers and about management. But let's say we need to pay 10 euro by cash and all the rest by card. We select again everything. We select also cash, 10 euro. As you can see, total due is 13.17, total paid is 10. So let's say post. Here is a message: you are underpaying selected due. Some items might not be paid at all. Is it okay to continue? Yes, it's okay because the rest will be paid by card. So as you can see, total due is 317. So let's select card 3.17 by card, post. And now, as you can see, the balance is 0, which means that the client is already good to go, and we need to print the invoice. So if we select here the printer, booking invoice,